Hey everybody, so here I am right out in front of Cactus Club's brand new Toronto restaurant. It literally opened a couple of days ago, and I'm going inside to meet Chef Rob Feenie, Sebastian Legoff, the Director of Service, and we're going to get a personal tour of the brand new Toronto location. So let's go inside and check them out.
Hi, welcome to our Cactus Cafe deck. Over here you can see we have lots of bitsy seating areas. If you look up, we have our retractable roof. Close during the winter weather, so it's all year round. Over here you can see our windows that open up during the summer as well. And we do have heaters to keep all our guests warm throughout the winter months. They're great casual or travel with some friends in the evening hours.
Awesome. Thank you. I think I'm going to take a table.
No, I offered.
Hey guys, so you've now seen the brand new Cactus Club here in Toronto. 4 levels, 2 little bar lounges, the rooftop, the dining room. Whether you want to watch the Blue Jays or whether you want to have a quiet, intimate dinner for 2 or 6, there is a room for you here at the Cactus Club. I'm going to be enjoying a classic Feenie Burger. There's some new stuff on the menu all the time, so I hope you enjoy the new Cactus Club, and I'm sure they'd love you to come by and visit. All right guys, have a great one.